So another popular thing that we should know about is mandala. What are the mandalas?
Well, a mandala is a symbolic representation of a perfect universe. So a mandala is the residence of a Buddha or Bodhisattva, the abode of a Buddha or Bodhisattva. And within the mandala, there are many symbols also, many different beings. The mandalas can be created they can be painted on a canvas, they can be created out of wood, they can be created in actually on a plate with sand, or they can be created in a sand mandala, which many people have seen pictures or seen demonstrations of the sand mandalas. So every different Buddha or Bodhisattva has its own mandala. And in the Tibetan tradition, they do a practice of creating the sand mandala out of different colored sands. Using a small funnel, they tap, tap, tap sand in different colors to create these beautiful artistic representations of an enlightened universe, right? The abode of this awakened being, this enlightened being. So, and then after they create it, they realize the impermanence of all things. So they actually dissolve it. After spending a couple of weeks or 3 days or a week or 2 weeks creating this beautiful work of art, then they dissolve it and then put it into a body of flowing water like the ocean or a stream or a river to symbolize impermanence.
Wow, very deep.
Yeah, a different idea about artwork, Instead of trying to create something immortal, they're creating something that they know from the beginning is fleeting, is changing, is impermanent.
Wow, after all the work, I can see the attachment that I could have for the art. Oh, please don't destroy it.
Right.
Yeah.
But you see, it's the same with our life. We spend so much time and effort taking care of this body, accumulating things, houses, cars, getting degrees, getting different kinds of recognition. And yet in the end, when we die, all of it's meaningless. Right? So the sooner we understand that, the better. Otherwise, we waste our life in these trivial matters that will not only be of no use at the time of death, but they may even become an obstacle. Oh, I can't leave. I haven't finished my work. Or I don't want to lose my wealth, right? It can create an obstacle at the time of death. But if we know that it's all impermanent, we can let go very easily. And then we can have an easy transition to the next life. So it's very important to understand impermanence.